Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about yet another interesting project that was listed on Coinbase a while back, and this project is called Mono Whale or the Mono token, right? Again, as always guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any of the projects we cover on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website digitalax.xyz in order to learn more about this project, right? But before we talk about Digitalax, I want to talk to you guys about ITRS Capital. Again, I know that we can't really access ITRS Capital's page right now, but I'm still going to explain about ITRS Capital so that you guys can understand what this project is and how you can take this platform for your advantage when it comes to making tax-free gains, especially if you are a resident or citizen of the United States, right? So if you're a resident or citizen of the United States, then ITRS Capital is a platform for you where you can invest in crypto or gold or silver in your tax advantage IRA, right? So you can use ITRS Capital to buy and sell crypto 24/7 in your tax advantage IRAs. Again, it seems like we can't really access their site at this moment, but if you go to their website, which is itrascapital.com, which is on the top of the screen right now, you can basically go there and search for pricing information to find out that you basically don't have to pay any monthly fee on your personal account. So you basically get a free monthly account, which is pretty cool, and they charge some of the lowest fees when it comes to the crypto space. They only charge 1% transaction fee for all cryptocurrency trades that you do on their platform, a $50 over spot per ounce for gold, and $2.50 over spot per ounce for silver. So these are some of the lowest fees that they have. And they also provide you with a lot of benefits as well. They facilitate the transfer, rollover, and contribution for your transfer of your IRAs, as well as provide you with monthly support and maintenance. They facilitate in maintaining as well as managing your account and helping you with answering any of your questions. And they also provide all of these with literally no hidden fees or account fees whatsoever, right? So it's a pretty great platform that if you haven't already used, you should definitely use. And if you scroll through some of the information that they have, you can see that they have a lot of cryptocurrencies that you can trade, and you can basically do all of that in your tax advantaged IRA platform, right? And one thing is that if you use the link in the description to set up your ITRS Capital account and fund it with $1,000, you get $10 in welcome bonus, plus all benefits that we just discussed right now. And once the website goes live back again, since there's some issues with the server, you can see a lot of benefits that they have. And by also using the link to set up an ITRS Capital account, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. So going back to the CoinMarketCap page for this token, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on CoinMarketCap's page for this token. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is Mono Whale? If you scroll further below on CoinMarketCap, they have a lot of important information which will help us understand what this project is. And at the same time, if you see, they have only very little information about Mono Whale on the CoinMarketCap page, but you can definitely go to the website in order to learn more about this project, right? So Mona is basically the native ERC20 token for the Digitalax platform. So Digitalax is the platform where Mona is the cryptocurrency that basically is running the entire platform, and it's an ERC20 token based on the Ethereum blockchain, right? So it is the platform's utility token and also serves as a part of the platform's governance. So if you're running governance and if you want to be a part of the Mono Whale Digitalax ecosystem, then you can hold the Mono tokens and use it to vote against proposals to drive the future of the platform itself, right? So that's one of the main utilities of this token itself. So these are the main information that you can find from CoinMarketCap, unfortunately. But if you go to the website, which is digitalax.xyz, it's a pretty cool website. In fact, it's one of my favorite websites of all time. And if you see, they have a pretty cool kind of like a object which has a very nice kind of embroidery done on that object. It's kind of like a mannequin or an imaginary mannequin. And if you see, Digitalax is the platform. If you scroll below, open composable machines for dimensional culture unlocked by the most advanced Web3 fashion ecosystem. So this is kind of like the main focus of their platform. Mona token is the governance token. It's fully the utility token of this platform. 0% team allocation, fully CCO protocol. So this is also a kind of like a fully public token. There's no real lockup for the team or any form of like token allocation for the team or advisors or anything like that. It's fully kind of like a fair launch kind of token, which definitely adds value to this token as well, right? It kind of shows that the team who is working behind this are focused on quality. And if you see such beautiful artwork that they have, and these are NFTs, so you can kind of move around if you want to see some of the other cool NFTs or artwork that they have. And if you scroll further below, you can see that this is kind of like the key to Web3, composable machines, dimensional assets. So that's the main focus. And if you see further below, you can access some of their important focus, which is the CCO summer. So they're kind of like a fashion-based platform, NFT platform, and they provide these high quality fashion NFTs as we saw on the top. So these are unique NFT items that can be purchased and traded, but at the same time the Mono token plays an important role, right? So designer realms. So this platform is to kind of encourage designers to build on top of the Web3 decentralized ecosystem, and they're kind of giving a lot of opportunities for designers and developers as well, right? So build for live markets in production on Ethereum, Polygon, Rarible protocol, Vercel, Infura, and FaunaDB. So these are all the different platforms. So shared order book and liquidity, merch drops, so I think, I don't know what this is. Basically, it's in real life, open metaverse, massive multiplayer, dungeon crawler economics. So they basically have a platform for metaverse. They have merchandise, which they're also going to drop for people who hold the collection. They're also focused on shared liquidity and order book. So these are some of the applications that they're trying to focus on their platform. So if you scroll further below, how you make it. So unlock the skills you need to continue the journey. So there are multiple skills that you can use to unlock the full potential of this platform. The ecosystem for all dimensions. So this protocol is everything you need for those daring enough to summon self-sustaining, self-sovereign economies or economics built on the composable blocks of Web3 fashion, dimensional machines, decentralized fabrication, immersive storefronts, and open world IRL game layers. So if you're a game developer, you have something to gain from this. If you're a designer or a kind of like a fashion developer, you can gain something from this. If you're a kind of like a Web3 person altogether, you can find something that will definitely interest you from this platform. So this is kind of like the multi-purpose versatile platform that you can ask for and from the crypto space, right? So choose your own status. It's dangerous out there, and treasure waits only for the bold. So these are all some of the in-game lores that they have, and you have the social media information as well in order to become a part of their social media community, right? So that's pretty much it. There's the version 3 white paper at the bottom of their page, other documentation, blogs, transparency reports, digiFizil design, as well as roadmap, which are all important information to learn and understand to fully analyze this project from top to bottom, right? So you'll get a lot of understanding of this project and what they do from their website. So you need to use that to do your own research before you can invest in this token, right? So going back to the CoinMarketCap page for this token is currently ranked 764th by market cap on CoinMarketCap, and it's currently trading at $990.88. It's quite an expensive sticker price, if you ask me. It's in fact one of the most expensive projects that we've covered in the recent while, and it's going to be very hard for newcomers to wrap their head around convincing themselves to buy this token, because this token, in their minds at least, has already pumped as much as it can pump, and therefore they don't really see any value in buying this token, right? But that is definitely far from the truth, because if you see the token in the past 24 hours itself has gone down of up to 4.8%, so close to 5% decrease in the past 24 hours in its price point. The market cap is also shrinking, but if you look at the market cap, it's still significantly less compared to several projects that would have a tokenomics of more than billion or 10 billion tokens. In fact, this token has $10.169 million in market cap, which is quite low if you ask me, and it's quite astounding to see that a project of such high quality only has such a low market cap, right? Even though the sticker price is high, the market cap is low, which indicates that if you look at the tokenomics, the token has extremely low supply. In fact, it has one of the lowest supplies in crypto space, which means one thing is sure, right? Even if all the fundamentals fail and if this token doesn't really perform well due to its fundamentals, or if it fails on its fundamentals, the scarcity of this token will definitely drive the price of this token upwards. So that's one of the main reasons why you should still focus on this token. You can at least focus on half of it or a quarter of this token and hold on to it till this token reaches the moon, right? So it's definitely having a lot of potential to reach the moon because of scarcity and a lot of its strong fundamentals and its partnership as well, right? So the max supply is only 11,300 tokens, which is amazing if you ask me, because if you take the gold standard, the literal gold standard in the crypto space, which is Bitcoin, the digital gold itself, it's most valuable because of its scarcity, right? You can never make more than 21 million bitcoins, and that's the cap. And obviously all the 21 million bitcoins are not the exact max supply, because 4 million is permanently lost forever, and therefore you can only have so much bitcoins, and the halving event every 4 years that happens with bitcoins increases its scarcity, thereby driving its market, which entirely drives the whole bull market cycle, right? So that's all because of the fact that Bitcoin is a scarce resource, right? Bitcoin is very scarce, and that's why people are using that as a hedge against inflation. If you look at Mono Whale or the Mono token, it's actually significantly scarcer than Bitcoin. In fact, Mono Whale is only 11,300 when Bitcoin has a max supply of 21 million. So you can easily see that this token can easily hit 5 figures in the next bull market. And if you buy a small amount of this token, again not financial advice, and hold on to it, and once this token reaches like the $10,000 per token price mark, you will be sitting in a really good gains, right? Because of the market cap being so low, the token only needs a small amount of money to push the price of this token, which will happen in the next bull rally, which will happen in about 2 to 3 years from now, right? So that's kind of like the theoretical perspective of the tokenomics, playing really heavily on the price appreciation of this token in the long term, and the total circulating supply, if you watch this carefully as well, about 91% of the max supply are already in circulation, which means there's literally no resistance for this token to worry about when it comes to tokenomics, because nobody's going to dump their token. Nobody has to worry about dumping their token onto the market because there's no new supply created. There's only going to be 11,300 tokens in existence, and out of which about 91% are already in circulation, which means this token is only going to get scarcer and scarcer as the day progresses, right? Which is pretty great and impressive if you ask me. So if you scroll further below, when it comes to the charts, you can clearly see that this token has been a really good short-term and long-term player, right? So if you look at the current scenario, I'm putting the all-time charts. If you see, the token at the current price is actually literally far away from its all-time lows. The token used to be much more cheaper, but now it's even though it's in red, it's still not the best time to buy this token, right? The reason is that if you see, the initial price of this token was worth $1,064 as of 5th of December 2020, and then it crashed right away to a price of about $306 per token, and then it went up and down, which was bouncing up and down, but it was mostly in the 400 range, and then it reached a new all-time high of close to $2,200 per token. In fact, $2,234 per token as of 19th of March 2021, and then it kind of had a big drop to a price of about $348 per token as of 28th of September 2021, and then it kind of jumped back up, reaching a second all-time high of touching $2,000, and then going back down, and then moved sideways for a bit, and then it jumped back to $1,400 per token before kind of cooling down. Now it's in the cooling down phase, which means it's going to cool down, reach somewhere between $350 to $400 per token. Now that Coinbase has listed this token, it's going to have a higher floor price, which means the $400 mark would be the most expected floor price for this token for the bottom. And if you buy it at that, you can ride the wave again, right? It'll go up and down as the chart for this token suggests, which means you can make some really good short-term gains, which this token has clearly proven, because you can make a really good passive income from this token by just trading this token while riding the wave of up and down motion. And you can make a long-term gain as well, because the next bull run will definitely show the true potential of this token. I can easily sense this token reaching $10,000 per token, which is easily possible because of its scarcity fundamentals, the fact that it's a fair launch, and Coinbase has listed this token, which means a lot of other major exchanges will list this token as well, right? Which is definitely going to make this token rise up and shoot up to the moon, literally, right? So that's my price kind of potential for this token. If you go to the markets itself, you can clearly see that this token only has a few places where it has liquidity from, which explains the low market cap as well as the high volatile nature of this token. You can basically buy this token from the only centralized exchange, which is also the major exchange of Coinbase, right? You can buy this token only from Coinbase, which is the only centralized exchange that has listed this token, which also tells you that this token has not even seen its full potential. If a lot of exchanges list this token, which I'm pretty sure it will, this token is probably going to be in the $5,000, $6,000 mark per token, right? So you're definitely going to get a huge potential when it comes to price action when exchanges such as Binance, Gate.io, Huobi Global start listing this token, right? And I don't see a reason why they shouldn't list this token, because if you see Coinbase, which has one of the most strictest listing requirements, has already listed this token. So Gate.io, Binance and all, they have little less strict requirements compared to Coinbase. So if Coinbase has listed this token, there's no reason for them to not list this token. So expect a Binance listing coming pretty soon for this token, right? Apart from Coinbase, you can buy this token from Uniswap as well as Bancor Network. And if you see, out of these top 3 exchanges, Uniswap is providing you with an opportunity to buy this token at a low price of $950 per token, and then you can sell it on Coinbase at $992 per token. So clearly there is a huge gain to be made thanks to the arbitrage opportunities that this token offers, which will definitely help you make some short-term, really short-term gains as well. You can definitely buy it from one exchange and then sell it in another exchange. Since the liquidity is low, the price balancing will take some time, and therefore you can take advantage of that gap of time in order to buy low and sell high from one exchange to another exchange in the temporary short-term period itself, right? So that's also another opportunity where this token allows you to make money. So what's my final word on this token, guys? I think this token has a huge potential. It's in fact one of my top picks for the best performer in the next bull run. I think this token is going to perform incredibly well. So bear in mind, if you do come to watch this video from the future, leave a comment saying that I was absolutely right, because this token has strong fundamentals, extremely strong tokenomics. It's a fair launch. The project is incredibly high quality. They have been only listed by Coinbase. There's no other major exchange listing in a centralized world apart from Coinbase, which is definitely going to change, because in the next few months to few weeks you will see a lot of major exchanges listing this token. And there's also short-term arbitrage opportunities, short-term gains to be made as well as long-term gains to be made from this token as well, right? So this is a good opportunity token that you should not miss, right? Again, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? Again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.